everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we have an 18 GT. Now, the front bumper's off. Was getting ready to do the Vortech install, but we've already got the oil pump gears and crank sprocket installed. Did not video that. I've got several videos on that. Put a link right here up to the Gen 3. We put the oil pump gears, crank sprocket, and the cams in. Very detailed video if you want to go watch that. But we're going to be putting a Vortech on, and we are going to go ahead and do a video on this, and we will be putting on the dyno in this video, so stay tuned to that. But going to start installing it. Now, it's not going to be a how-to installation video, just more of a line of showing it being installed and then getting put on the dyno for you guys. So basically, here is the setup right here. It's a Vortech V3, but if you want to see what it kind of looks like, this is a 17 GT we just got finished with, and it's got the V3. We went ahead and put a 3.5 on there for the customer. So this one will be probably be its own video getting put on the dyno. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started installing this. You ready, Chris?
Let's do this.
All right.
Quick little clip from me. You got to see this. All right, we're putting in the discharge pipe for this Vortech car that we're working on, and whenever he brought us kit, he included what they call the Mondo BV57. So look how big and how tight this blow-off valve fits in here.
Well, just get a look at this.
Yeah.
Perspective. This is
just look at it.
That's my hand. That's put it in your hand.
Yeah, that's my hand. Look at this. This is ginormous.
That's crazy.
I mean, look, it doesn't even run vacuum. It runs an AN line for a vacuum feed.
Runs dash 4 AM.
But guys, I just had to show you that. That is.
But it fit. It's tight, but it fits.
It's tight, but it fits. So.
With the radiator rock forward, like we're going to have it.
Yeah.
But or rock backwards, rather.
Yeah, that is. You're gonna get all the boost noise of that thing.
That's crazy.
All right, guys, back to the install.
All right, guys, so the car is done as you've seen. We've got it on the dyno, about to make a pull. Lund is tuning this car, so they've given us some instructions for the dyno, so we're going to put it on dyno. We're going to dyno it in 5th gear, give them a log, and then go from there, guys. So let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna show you his horsepower numbers, but keep in mind this was a partial pull pretty much, and in 5th gear, not in 6th like we usually do, and you're really supposed to do them in 7th, but due to the 10R80, we always do them in 6th gear. But 538 horsepower, 427 foot-pound of torque at 6738. They wanted a 3500 to 6500 watt open throttle pull in 5th gear. That's what we gave them. So we sent them the log, waiting to hear back from them, and then we'll continue on. as usual, 93 this time of year is not the greatest, so Lund had me throw a little boosting in, just enough to compensate what was going on with the 93 we had in the tank. Picked up 26 horsepower.
All right, guys, Lund got back with us. We are now doing another run, same RPM sweep. We're just now doing it in 6th gear.
All right, so this is our first pull in 6th gear. We did 600 horsepower and 483 foot-pound of torque at 6,600 RPM. So we're waiting on Lund to get back with us and let us know if there's any adjustments and when we can send it all the way out. So I'm interested to see what kind of horsepower we're going to hit at the very end there.
All right, guys, we got the okay. We got a tune update from Lund. We are now going to 7,500 RPM, 6th gear.
All right, so we ended up with 631 raw horsepower and 471 foot-pounds of torque, 7,600 RPM. Sent the log to Lund that they said everything looks great, so it's ready to come off the dyno. So that's what we got, guys. Vortech V3 3.6 pulley, stock headers,
Boiler attack cat back.
boiler attack cat, but thank you, I was drawing a blank there. Boiler attack cat back. All right, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. As always, we are out here at the Horsepower Factory on the dyno. If you have any Chevy that you need worked on, come see him. Also, he is a dealer for Holley EFI and an installer, and he tunes Holley EFI. So if you need any of that, come see him at the Horsepower Factory. If you need any Ford stuff, come see us at HPR. All the information is down in the description. But guys, we'll see you next time. But we got all right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. What'd you do? What'd you do?